Hi, I'm Deborah Boschert. I am the author of Art Quilt Collage, A Creative Journey in Fabric, Paint, and Stitch. And I am super excited to be bringing you a lecture on those three topics, fabric, paint, and stitch. The lecture actually comes in 3 parts, and it includes a PDF download with lots of bulleted lists of all the topics I'm going to be covering and lots of room for you to take notes on the ideas that you want to explore and the inspiration that you want to remember for your own creative practice. So in the fabric section, we'll be talking about building a fabric palette and thinking about color and scale. And then in the paint section, I'm super excited to share with you several techniques that you can use to create original surface design, including making foam stamps. This is a foam stamp of a fork, knife, and spoon, and this is the fabric that I made with this stamp. So the lecture includes a mini demo on that process. And then in the stitch section of the lecture, we'll be talking about both free motion quilting and hand embroidery, like what you see in this small art quilt collage. And we'll also be talking about stitch as a design element. I'm going to be sharing with you lots of examples of art quilt collages from my body of work and sharing with you the inspiration, materials, techniques, and creative process that goes into creating them. So I hope that you will come away super excited and inspired about creating your own original work with layers of fabric, paint, and stitch.